way too fast. It makes me want you, oh so bad. I keep our memories locked away. When someone gets too close, I hesitate.